There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. Can you climb all the way up like that? Whoa! Can you climb all the way up? Can you climb all the way up here to me? Stand up. Grab the rope and stand up. Stand and climb. Put your feet down.
Right, last one. Last one, Poppy. Last one.
There you go. There you go. Oh! Can you stand and climb?
Last one, Dad. Right, okay. Oh. Right, last one, Liz. Right, last one.
Yeah, there you go. There you go. Whoa!
Yeah, I know. Right, last one, Poppy. No, Libby. Right, here's our
Whoa!
Mommy, help me!
Okay, climb up and reach my hand. Use the rope. Use the rope to help yourself climb.
Mommy.
Oh, there it is. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, keep climbing. Oh, oh. You can do it.